Hi, so in the next video we're up to now, we're going to have a look at the next column, which is this one here, the profit factor. Now I'll click on that to highlight it. The profit factor, let me just sort them in the other order. The profit factor basically calculates the gross profit divided by the gross loss. So it takes the risk into account per unit of profit. Okay. Now, if the figure is above 1, then it means it's a profitable system, and generally the higher all other things being equal, generally the higher the profit factor, the better the system is. But you may have a high profit factor, like this one here. That's quite phenomenal, but each trade only goes for 2.2 hours on average. So that could be just a little bit too difficult to actually trade and follow the signals, and too difficult to really replicate the results that have been found so far for this system. We can scroll down a little bit further and look at a few others. This one is probably pretty good. It's been traded for 965 days, and it's done 74 trades, not really quite 100. The average trade length is quite long, just a bit over a month, and the profit factor is phenomenal. So these ones are okay as well. So reasonably decent looking equity curves. If you traded a combination of a few of these different systems, that would smooth out the equity curve further, and you get sort of more consistent results. So that again is the profit factor column. As I said, basically it's calculated by the gross profits divided by the gross losses of the system. So the total amount of profit divided by the total amount of loss. You want a figure to be above 1, to be in the positive, which is going to make it a profitable system if it's above 1. Okay, anything less than 1 basically means the system loses money. So something hopefully there that you've learned. Have a look at awesometradingsystems.com if you want to access all of these systems. There's actually over 10,000 of them. You can go via awesometradingsystems.com and look at a lot more detail about these systems. You'll find a lot more than what I'm going through in these videos, and I'm sure to take your trading to a whole nother level. Okay, hopefully I'll see you either on the next video or otherwise at awesometradingsystems.com.